our beloved Bapuji. The original name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was an Indian nationalist leader who has established his country's freedom through non-violence revolution. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar and educated in Law University. Do or die was the slogan given by him. He was shot dead on 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godse.
Truth and non-violence is in my blood. Bharat Mata ki jai.
Next, here comes the wife of Gandhi. When Gandhiji was 13 years old, he married Kasturba. At that time, she was illiterate. She was a good wife and always stood by side of her husband. Here comes the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi, born on 9th May 1866. He was born in small family. He was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress, founded Servants of Indian Society. He died in 1915. Here is Rani of Jhansi, born in 13th November 1835. A very civil, polite young lady, remembered for unbreakable. She didn't mean to give up her Jhansi in the hands of the British.
I will not give up my Jhansi in the hand of British. Bharat Mata ki jai.
A famous Indian revolutionary, born on 28 September 1907 in a Sikh family. He was an Indian freedom fighter, considered to be one of the most influential revolutionaries of Indian independence movement. He was arrested by the British, but the British refused and he was hanged on March 23rd, 1931.
If you hang me, I won't dare to give up my life to my motherland. Ingulab Zindabad.
Here comes the Nightingale of India, born on 13 February 1819. She was the first woman to become the President of Indian National Congress. Her birthday is celebrated as Women's Day. She died on March 2, 1949.
We want a deeper sincerity of motive, a great courage in speech and earnestness in action. Bharat Mata ki jai.
Here is our Chachaji, who was also a disciple of Mahatma Gandhi. He actively participated in non-cooperation movement. He was widely regarded as architect of modern India. He passed away in 1964.
हमें पूर्ण स्वराज चाहिए. भारत माता की जय.
Here comes the daughter of Motilal Nehru and sister of Jawaharlal Nehru. She was the first woman to become the United Nations General Assembly. comes our Netaji, who was born on 23rd, 1897. He passed Indian Civil Service examination and formed a new party called All India Forward Bloc. He died on August 17, 1945 in a plane crash.
We will not cease fighting until the Mother India is free. Jai Hind!
At last, here comes our Priyadarshini. She was born on 19th November 1970. She was the first lady Prime Minister and the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. She put India under the path of progress. She died by her own bodyguards on 31st October 1984.